Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today, I brought you fairy tales. Sticker book. Let's peek into our book. There are lot of contents here. Princess Peppa, Fairy Tale Friends, Frog Surprise, Cinder Peppa, Off to the Ball, Time for Tea, Help Help, Sir George the Brave, The Little Red Riding Hood, The Golden Egg, Home Sweet Home, The Big Bad Wolf, and Sleepy Princess. Let's go inside, and there are some stickers to paste here. This is Princess Peppa's story. We will search what we have to paste in Princess Peppa's story. This is our sticker collection. What a beautiful collection, right? So, today's book is Princess Peppa. So, we have to paste these. First, we will remove one by one here a kite. Then we can paste it in here. Like that. Then we will take another kite. And we will paste it to Mummy Pig. There are two more kites here.
Yeah. Got it. It's a bit hard to remove.
Alright. It's George's. And these is for Peppa. And there are some wood horse. The riding horse. I think it suits here. And we can see here the sun. We'll put sun here. And we can see some clouds here. We can put clouds here. Another cloud here. And here. Alright, then we can read. Now our sticker collection is ready. Now we have to read this. Princess Peppa. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess called Peppa who lived in a castle on a hill with King Daddy, Queen Mummy, and Prince George. Today, their royal highness are flying kites. Which kite is Peppa's flying? Here it is. We can see here. We will see you again with the Fairy Tale Friends stickers. Till then, love you all. Bye-bye.
Booktube Kids.